In a significant development for Russia's aviation industry, the prototype of the PD-35 technology demonstrator aircraft engine has successfully completed its first phase of testing, marking a crucial milestone in the country's pursuit of advanced aerospace capabilities. According to reports from one of the enterprises involved in its development, the engine demonstrated stable operation and met all established parameters during the initial testing phase. The PD-35 project, which began in the summer of 2016, represents a collaborative effort between two major Russian aerospace manufacturers, Perm's Aviation and Rybinsk's Saturn, both operating under the umbrella of the United Engine Corporation, UEC. This ambitious project aims to create Russia's most powerful aircraft engine, with a thrust capacity of up to 35 tons, a substantial increase of 16 tons compared to its predecessor, the PD-14. The development of this cutting-edge engine was recently showcased at the International Engine Building Forum, held from October 23rd to 25th, 2024, at VDNKH in Moscow. At the event, UEC presented groundbreaking technological achievements, including innovative blades for the PD-35 demonstrator engine. Among the highlights were the working and nozzle blades for the engine's low-pressure turbine, manufactured using state-of-the-art additive technologies. The implementation of 3D printing in the production process has enabled high-precision shape manufacturing while significantly reducing both time and material costs. Another notable innovation presented at the forum was a fan blade constructed from polymer composite materials. By incorporating carbon fiber technology, engineers have achieved a remarkable 30% reduction in component weight, demonstrating the project's commitment to advanced materials and efficient design. These developments in additive technologies and polymer composite materials represent priority areas for UEC, as they form the foundation for creating next-generation aircraft engines with enhanced performance characteristics. The PD-35's development is particularly significant in the context of gas turbine engine evolution. The history of aircraft engine development has been marked by steady increases in gas temperature capabilities before the turbine, a crucial parameter indicating technological progress. From the first generation of engines in the late 1940s, operating at 876 degrees Celsius, to the current fifth generation, reaching temperatures of 1626 degrees Celsius, each generation has pushed the boundaries of what's possible in engine design. Currently, only 15% of the engines in operation worldwide belong to the fifth generation. The success of the PD-35 builds upon the achievements of its predecessor, the PD-14, Russia's first serial fifth-generation engine. The PD-14's development involved 16 critical technologies, including single-crystal high-pressure turbine blades with advanced cooling systems capable of withstanding gas temperatures up to 2,000 degrees Celsius, hollow wide-chord fan blades made from titanium alloy that increased fan stage efficiency by 5% compared to the PS90, and a low-emission combustion chamber constructed from intermetallic alloy. Additional innovations included noise-absorbing structures made from composite materials, ceramic coatings on hot section parts, and hollow low-pressure turbine blades. Looking ahead, the PD-35 is positioned to play a crucial role in Russia's aviation future. According to Russian First Deputy Prime Minister Denis Manturov, the engine is expected to be ready for serial production by 2030. Its intended applications include powering promising twin-engine wide-body passenger aircraft and transport planes, such as the modernized Il-96 and the military transport AN-124-100 Ruslan. The successful completion of the first testing phase represents more than just a technical achievement. It demonstrates Russia's growing capabilities in advanced aerospace manufacturing and its commitment to developing competitive solutions for the international aviation market. The integration of modern technologies, such as additive manufacturing and composite materials, positions the PD-35 as a significant advancement in aircraft engine design. As the engine prepares for its next testing phases, the achievement marks an important step forward in Russia's ambition to establish itself as a leader in aviation technology. The PD-35's development not only showcases the country's technological capabilities, but also highlights its potential to compete in the global market for large commercial aircraft engines, where only 15% of currently operating engines belong to the fifth generation. This milestone in the PD-35's development program represents a convergence of advanced materials science, innovative manufacturing techniques, and sophisticated engineering, setting the stage for the next generation of Russian aviation propulsion systems. As testing continues and development progresses toward the 2030 production target, the PD-35 stands as a testament to Russia's commitment to advancing its domestic aviation industry through technological innovation and engineering excellence. Now, what is your opinion on the PD-35 engine? Let us know in the comments. Please like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel. Please also take membership of our channel to encourage us